Yeah, I think I got my use out of those. Now let's look at this brake fluid. Ew, that's not a nice dark beer. That is brake fluid. It's not supposed to look like that. Alright, cleaned up the dust cover and got that on. Also cleaned up the spindle. Note, this stuff I sprayed on, that Rust-Oleum truck bed coating stuff, that don't just wipe off. I had to get the wire, you know, the drill wire wheel hold of it to get that off there. But got that cleaned up. I'm going to spray it down real good. Make sure I don't have anything on this bearing journal here, that shoulder. And then this journal here is where the seal goes, right? So they'll seal up against there. So, but anyways, just cleaning my parts up. Let's see here, got the new rotor sitting there. I've brake hosed that out, and brake cleaned it and air hosed it out. And then similarly, the bearings, I'll need to pack the bearings and put those in. And of course, drop that seal on too. So just a little update. I just kind of feel like just working on this and not doing a how-to video right now. I just want to work on my Ramcharger. So once I get that done, I can get the caliper on and then put the wheel on. I'll need to make my adapters, move my adapters over for these wheels. Got these wheels out of the junkyard, and they're like a metric pattern. So I went to, I'm going to say it wrong. I'll just put a link up there or say what they are, because I can't remember. Oh, easy. Let's see if we can dance around a little more. So I got that. It's a pretty good piece. Like I said, I think it's performance wheel adapter. That's where it was. Funny thing, rotors. Went to look in my manuals on how to put them on. That one refreshed on it. Neither one of those tell you how to put the rotor on. So it's like, gee, thanks guys, thanks. So anyways, just general mechanicking on that. There's new master cylinder. There's new calipers right there. So actually, this new calipers is kind of cool. They come painted, so I don't have to do anything with that. They didn't used to do that, and they didn't used to come with hardware either. So, I mean, it's got the copper washer, crush washer in there, everything. So that's super nice. That's got that from the parts store. AutoZone. I don't know if O'Reilly's. That's kind of two ones I deal with. I don't know if they come with it or not. However, the master cylinder did not come with the bleeder kit. Alright, check this out. About to drive that seal in, and I searched all over the shop and I couldn't find anything that fit until I got a Ford part. For using the Ford part, this is the part off the clutch fan. I didn't need this part for my application. It's like a little spacer, and it fits exactly perfect on there. Now I'm starting to see the benefit of having multiple makes, because that's just, wow, that's amazing. It's like it's made to drive that in. Take two, had to go get the breaker bar to get those things loose. So that is proof that anti-seize does not mean that your bolt's going to fall off. Because those were definitely not going to fall off. All right, let's try this again. With hopefully these coming off now. That's what I meant to do before, but apparently I gorilla torqued them on. Oh yeah, good stuff there. All right. So here's the ring. You see that the lug nut seats in there just like what it would do on your wheel. On the back side, you got your bolt holes in there. So it mounts, you know, like I said, just like a wheel would do on that. So this is what we got. Like I said, I'll link that up there. These just happen to be the 5 on 5.5 to a 5 on 135. So just enough. But hey, I got those wheels out there at the junkyard, and I think I paid $120 for a set of 4 wheels. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal, and they look awesome. Okay, torquing these is a little bit tricky because there's no weight on wheels to put a torque wrench. It just spin. So I just have this bar down there with a rag so I don't bugger up my threads. Then I can go through and torque them and then pull that out, rotate it, and put it back in and torque it right there. At least that's the method I use. Some professional might have some better way of doing it, but that's how I do it. Okay, as you see, I got it together. This is just a little quick vlog video, putting this stuff together, something a little different. If you're watching me on Instagram, then you'll get bonus stuff of what's coming up right here. So yes, I've got a little bit more progress on the Ramcharger, but we're starting to get into the, well, sanding, boring stuff. But well, I don't know what else to say. I guess I better just close it out. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time on Broken Tool Garage.